Hi, today is 20th of June and I'm going to do my own Nifty analysis and I'm going to say what I am thinking. मुझे निफ्टी में क्या दिख रहा है और मैं किस तरह से इसको ट्रेड करूँगा, किस तरह से इसको अप्लाई करूँगा, ये वीडियो उस तरह से ही है. I know you might be confused of why you have Taylor Swift and as the thumbnail for this video. Well, ये एक बहुत ही फेमस गाना है टेलर स्विफ्ट का सिंस 2012 और 2014 इस टाइम का. और ये गाना में एक ही था कि प्लेयर्स गोना प्ले, हेटर्स गोना हेट. सो जिसका जो काम है वो वही करेंगे. आई एम अ ट्रेडर सो आई एम गोना ट्रेड. सो मेरे लिए ये इफ़ मार्केट इज़ क्लोज्ड आई कैन ओनली मेक सम स्पेकुलेशंस. क्लोज्ड मार्केट में मैं सिर्फ स्पेकुलेट कर सकता हूँ कि मेरी मूव क्या होगी और किस रीजन में मैं करूँगा. बट मार्केट इज़ सुप्रीम एंड आई एम अ ट्रेडर सो आई रियली डोंट care if Nifty opens at minus 10% or a plus 10% tomorrow. I know how I am going to trade it and how I'm going to make money. At the end of it, मेरी कोई bias नहीं है Nifty के against or for. हाँ, over a long period of time I can say Nifty is going for up move और लेकिन बीच बीच में कुछ minor corrections आएंगे भी. And this video is all about how a trader should only trade and shouldn't be too much focused on indicators, say for example, or the whole trend and OI analysis and all this. मैं ट्विटर में बहुत सारे ऐसे ट्रेडर्स और ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट्स को देखता हूँ जो ये सब वीकेंड में करते हैं and they share it. But for me these are very immaterial. I see a particular pattern in Nifty and I take some फिर वो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करता हूँ and I take decisions. अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर में मैंने निफ्टी का लाइव ट्रेड किया था ऑन थर्सडे when Nifty was at 711 यहाँ से. And then you will see I was tracking in that video यहाँ से यहाँ पे आया, फिर मैंने किस तरह से positions बनाए और मैंने किस तरह से ये channel draw किया था. All of this information is shared across over there, so it shouldn't be a big issue for you. और वहाँ पे मैं targets भी दिया था निफ्टी का कि किस तरह से ये channel यहाँ पे जाके एक resistance face कर सकती है. So no matter what, this channel has been formed since last few days now, और this is a sort of a very valid channel for me. और यह यहाँ पे जो हुआ था कि निफ्टी opened up below this channel but it was able to very much in a very few hours. This 15 minutes chart एक घंटे के अंदर ही वो चैनल के अंदर विद इन द फर्स्ट 15-20 मिनट्स. सो द सेकंड कैंडल में ही वो चार्ट के इस चैनल के अंदर चली गई थी. And then we had a breakdown and a very good support came over here. उसे तो upper right hand corner में वीडियो है which was made on at expiry. वहाँ पे हम लोग देखेंगे कि किस तरह से मैं पोजीशन बनाया और नेक्स्ट डे ये यहाँ से फिर चैनल में आया और फिर से वो ब्रेकडाउन आई. But I am more interested just like I took a short trade over here. और वो वीडियो भी आपको मिल जाएगी मेरे चैनल में around about at 680. But I closed it round about at 590 regions, I remember. Sorry. So going forward, you can see last session mein it again entered this particular channel and right now it is above on this channel. So for me it's a very simple and अगर मैं थोड़ा सा hourly या daily chart पे जाता हूँ, actually I can look into indicators but indicators are never helpful for me for my technical analysis. I have my own mathematical models where I can मतलब अगर आप chart में एक price और एक candles को देखते हो so what do you see, right? Indicators are nothing but they are trying to calculate all of these and trying to give you some rough idea. So I really don't believe much in the indicators. One of the thing I can see is whenever buying comes in there, it comes with a lot of volume. Now this volume can be because of short covering but no matter what, if you look on a monthly chart, so Nifty has been going really good and you can see this is the sort of pattern जो Nifty में अभी ये बनने वाली है. And this is something which is very good. And you see, forget this downfall, this is because of Corona and also this retracement, because these are all because of Corona things. So these are just a blip and these don't carry much of a value for me. So going forward I can see that this is trading यहाँ पे इस चैनल में अपर रेंज में 1 2 3 and this is the fourth time. So given tomorrow I can see this particular zone of 760 it has acted like a support, and then there was a breakdown, and then again it acted like a resistance, but then it got broken, and then again it's acting like a support on multiple occasions. फिर यहाँ पे जाके ये जब ब्रेक डाउन आया 760 देन एक्टेड लाइक अ रेजिस्टेंस, एंड दिस वाज एग्जैक्टली द रीज़न वाई ये जब 720 रीजन को क्रॉस की थी तब मैंने 750 की कॉल्स बेची थी ड्यूरिंग एक्सपायरी, because when this is like a good resistance right now, and similarly you can see again here it went towards 760, and then the sell-off came towards 540 550 450 regions, where it was where it broke the very good support of 500. So going forward I think this is again going to be the case if it gets an immediate buying support around about this range, which is like 622. सो मैं लिख देता हूँ, सॉरी अगर राइटिंग खराब है तो. So this 622 or 620 region or 600 region should give an immediate support, and I think this will not get breached. If 622 is breached, then I will again short, and I will try to cover it at 550 levels, because this channel is going to work really good in this short term, and I really don't see a very big problem with that. And of course going forward फिर उसका resistance इस तरह से shift होके towards 6, it will come round about at 680, but no matter what 760 is a huge resistance, and this has been tested multiple times. Going forward I think अगर ये 760 touch की, so I think going forward it may form, okay let me clean it up for you and then I'm going to talk about it. But these are speculations. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade and before making any investment. See, this is a very interesting pattern, right? What this so ये जो region है, this is a 640 region. So I ये जब यहाँ पे जाएगी, so I would अगर okay sorry I want to so ये यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना, it's a very good pattern which can emerge. See, never speculate a pattern, लेकिन मेरा काम वही है कि मैं एक पैटर्न को स्पेकुलेट करके उसमें ट्रेड्स लेता हूँ. So it started off and then it dipped towards 6, यहाँ पे you can see is 620, right? So this dipped towards 620, and then again it went towards 760 over here, and then it dipped towards 440, right? And then it is again trying to come up, and as I said अगर ये 620 levels को अगर ये यहाँ पे एक विक भी आई थी लास्ट सेशन में इन द 15-minute chart, so ये 620 region is a very important region, और ये अगर 620 से अगर ये कोप अप करके अगर ये 760 तक जाती है, so that would be a very good situation, जहाँ पे मैं ये ट्राई करूँगा कि 760 is right now the immediate hurdle which it has, and I would be very much interested in seeing if it's able to take off this 760. अगर ये 760 को ब्रीच करके if it goes towards 779, say for example, right, then I think we can very safely claim that this is now not going to act like a resistance, but it may start acting like a support. But till that time comes, I think let me draw a horizontal line for you. So ये जो है 620 region, this is something which is going to act like a range, and maybe for this expiry it will be consolidating between 760 and 620. I think this is a very good range, and given a breakout of the range in either direction will give a much more bigger move and fast and furious move. लेकिन अभी जैसे मैं बोला कि एक्सपायरी अभी सिर्फ 4 दिन नहीं है, दिस एक्सपायरी मंथली एक्सपायरी. तो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक निफ्टी यही 620 और 760 में कंसोलिडेट करनी चाहिए, और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कम वॉट में ये 760 वुड बी टेकन आउट इन अ वन गो. ऑफ कोर्स अगर गोइंग टुमारो इफ इट ओपन्स अप विद अ गैप अप, देयर विल बी डेफिनेटली अ सेलिंग विल कम, and if not agar short covering bhi agar aayi, so basically you can very well assume that 840 is, or rather this 820 region is going to act like a very good resistance agar ye short covering bhi aayi. So going forward, you see, it's so simple. You don't have to depend on any indicator. There are so many indicators why people use, and why experts जो trainings भी देते हैं ये लोग use करते हैं, because they have to sell a package, but you don't need. जहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा एक चैनल ना, हम लोग चैनल पे ही ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इफ 620 इज़ हेल्ड देन इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. अगर 620 टूट गई सो बेसिकली 550 वुड बी एविडेंटली कमिंग. गुड. और अगर ये टूट के अगर इमीडिएटली अगर नेक्स्ट कैंडल, सो नेवर ट्रेड ऑन व्हेन द ब्रेकआउट हैपन्स. जस्ट लाइक आई डिडंट ट्रेड ऑन दिस वन, आई क्लोज माई शॉर्ट्स, बट ऑलवेज वेट फॉर द सेकंड वन. यहाँ पे जाके वो चैनल को, ये 620 रीजन्स को वो टेस्ट की एंड देन अ ब्रेकडाउन कम. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज बी ट्रेडिंग दीज ब्रेकडाउन्स रादर देन, बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज नीड अ कन्फर्मेशन कि जो इमीडिएट लेवल जो रेजिस्टेंस भी एक्ट कर रही है, वेदर दिस इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ रेजिस्टेंस. सो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड टुमारो मैं 620 रीजन्स को एज अ सपोर्ट मान रहा हूँ एंड 760 एज अ रेजिस्टेंस मान रहा हूँ. देन मार्केट इज सुप्रीम. टुमारो कैसे जो खुलेगा, एज टेलर स्विफ्ट very famously said, haters gonna hate and players gonna play. This is how I am going to play. Hope this video was helpful and insightful and simple, so you don't have to look into so many different parameters. And I think going forward, this I would be tracking 760 for a breakout and 620 for a breakdown. And agar 760 mein jaake agar wo retrace kiya, I think you can understand this is a very good head and shoulders pattern which can come out, and it will again try to get a support around about 620. And from an expiry point of view, I don't have to look into open interests because they can change erratically and very quickly as and when Nifty moves. So from a very good trader's perspective, I can say that 760 to 620 is where I see the expiry to be as of now. Let's see, tomorrow is Monday, 21st of June. The market will open and then we will trade accordingly. Hope this video was helpful and you were able to gain some insights about how I trade and how I watch and how I can predict, or rather not predict, you can never predict, right? How I can form some notions. मैं अपने दिमाग में किस तरह से सोच करके रखता हूँ, and then as and when Nifty moves and or breaks down, I have my explicit levels and then I can take my decisions accordingly. Thanks for listening, and best of luck with all your trading positions. Hope you would be in profit in no time. Thanks a lot for listening.